Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to simplify 52 plus 6 square root 43 raised to the power 3 over 2 minus 52 minus 6 square root 43 raised to the power 3 over 2. So let's get started by considering this is our expression x. Now we will write 52 plus 6 square root 43 equal to 53 is 43 plus 9. This is 52 plus 6 square root 43. Now 43 can be written as square root 43 whole square. 9 is 3 square. Then 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Then we have square root 43, which is recalling one algebraic identity, a square plus b square plus twice ab. In this place, we can use a plus b whole square. So I can write 52 plus 6 is square root 43 equal to square root 43 plus 3 whole square. In the similar way, we can find 52 minus 6 square root 43, which we will write 52 minus 6 square root 43. This will be equal to square root 43 whole square plus 3 whole square minus 2 times 3 times square root 43. Here we can use identity a square plus b square minus 2ab will be equal to a minus b whole square. So we will write 52 minus 6 square root 43 equal to square root 43 minus 3 whole square. Let me write 52 plus 6 square root 43 equal to square root 43 plus 3 whole square. Now we are going to evaluate x. So x will be equal to, here we have x, 52 plus 6 square root 43. Here we will write square root 43 plus 3 whole square, and then we will put power 3 over 2 minus square root 43 minus 3 whole square with exponent 3 over 2. Now we will use power rule, which says a power b whole power c. This can be written as a power b times c. So we have to multiply these two powers. Here also we will multiply 2 with 3 over 2, and we will write x equal to square root 43 plus 3 whole power is 2 times 3 over 2 minus square root 43 minus 3 with power 2 times 3 over 2. Now we will cancel denominator 2 and 2 from the numerator. We can write x will be equal to square root 43 plus 3 whole cube minus square root 43 minus 3 whole cube. Now I am going to use substitution. Let us say this is a, this is b. So I can write x is equal to a cube minus b cube. Here a is square root 43 plus 3 and B is square root 43 minus 3. Now we will find the value of A minus B and AB. So if I will subtract B from A, we will get A minus B. Here we will get 3 plus 3. After sign change, we will get 6. So A minus B equal to 6. Now we will calculate A times B. I will write here x equal to A cube minus B cube. A minus B equal to 6. A is square root 43 plus 3. B is square root 43 minus 3. Now we are going to find AB value. So we will multiply square root 43 plus 3 with square root 43 minus 3. Now we know that m plus n times m minus n will be m square minus n square. So I can write here AB equal to square root 43 whole square minus 3 whole square, which will be equal to 43 minus 9. Value will be equal to 34. Now AB is 34. A minus B is 6. We have to find A cube minus B cube. So I will write here x equal to A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B whole cube plus 3AB A minus B. Now A minus B is 6. So we will write here 6 cube plus 3 times AB is 34. So we will multiply 3 with 34. Then A minus B is 6. Now we will take 6 common. So in the bracket we are going to write 6 square plus 3 times 34. Now we have to plug in values. 6 square is 36. Then we have 3 times 34. Value will be equal to 102. So I can write here 6 times 138. Value will come out 828. So our answer becomes x equal to 828. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.